Hi, I'm Aaron Evans, and I'm excited to be speaking at Agile DevOps this year. My talk is on becoming the bottleneck, embracing the challenge of testing in an agile environment, a tale of woe and despair. I'm a tester, and a good one at that, because I like to break things, because I don't follow directions, and because I'm curious. What does that button do? Just like a real user, test automation has a bad reputation for being costly and slow and unreliable and hard to maintain. How can we ensure that testing doesn't become the bottleneck? We first have to admit we have a problem and then look at the root causes. I will talk about how to identify and diagnose these challenges, then discuss what can be done to alleviate them. And finally, how to deal with roadblocks like rigid processes, organizational inertia, communication silos, and lack of quality ownership. I may not have all the answers, but maybe you can learn from my past mistakes.